Hello everybody and welcome to Caldera Create Creations. This is a Wreath channel. Today we are making it easy to make spring wreath, and if you guys like and enjoy my videos, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified about my upcoming videos. And with that, much thanks and let's get this started. Hello everybody. Okay, today we are making it easy to make wreath. Like I said, I purchased, this is a 12-inch wreath, grapevine wreath. I purchased this item at the 99-cent store. I just took the wire off and attached it to this wreath. We're also working with this beautiful greenery. Look at it. Hobby Lobby is having a 50% off sale. I bought for this wreath one of these, two of these, 1.5. You're working with. It's so beautiful. I also got my eucalyptics. Got a couple of them. We got this one little flower. We also got a piece of some wire. Okay, but let's get this started. This is the wire I took off of there. Okay, we are going to start attaching these beauties to the side right here. Just insert them right here. This is where the wire comes in, you know. Gotta get that way. How did I do this? Okay, we got this workaround. Come on now, mama. There. This one pinned in here. Okay, and then let's use a wire. If you want, just pin some of this down. Work our way down and just weave in there and get this in. Bam! There we go. How's that? Okay, now we're just gonna work on lift these up and just insert them down in there like that. Like that. Get this other one and just work our way around. And this, how's everybody doing? Let's get this smile on and let's all have a good day. And thanks for coming to check out my channel. Just making this wreath and just being creative today. And let's just step back and visualize so we could see what we are working with. Yes, indeed. Coming out beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Just weave these other ones in here. There's that. Just work around here. Get these all balanced out. Wow, look at that. Okay, then with these eucalyptics, I was just gonna just work them in. Work them all into here like this. Place this up. Just lift up the florals and the greenery, and hey, look at this, everybody. Look at just the color of mixtures of some greenery, different texture and items. Be creative, and you will come out with beauty like this. Look at, ooh, just so easy. Look at, just pick these up and mush these ones in like that. Wow, beautiful. Hey, we got one more. Let me see where we're going to put this one. I think we're going to get this one up in here. And look at that, everybody. There it is. Oh, how beautiful. I'm going to put this on my back door. Then we get this little flower. We're just going to put right in here to give it a little bit of sunshine. Yay, look at that, everybody. Now, how beautiful and easy was that to make? Once again, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. And have a great, wonderful day. Let me fix this a little bit. There, woo, okay. Got our eucalyptics, and let's get this up here so we can let our people's beautiful fans see it. Ah, look at that, everybody. Y'all see that? Hey, let me see. Let me fix my camera so I can adjust it, and y'all will see what we got done created today. Wow, look at that. Just be devised and be creative and use little items, you know, that wiring going on. And don't forget to always step back and visualize. With that said, everybody, thanks for coming to my channel. Like and share. And let's have a wonderful day. Until the next video. See ya. We will be working with some greenery and some beautiful peonies. Bright ones. Have a good day. See ya.